that like button and subscribe
The people that I try to protect the people that are in my chat as well. I need a name. Who is the male trying to come through? Look, guys. 3 cat toys at once. And the K2. Holy shit. Look, there's that one. And the K2. You know what? If you guys could combine energy, could you do that now and touch Emmett the bear? That cat toy is just... I think Betsy's here to stay. Yeah. I just heard my real name again. Betsy, please come through and say hello, David. See, that's why I record. That way, when I record, I can go back and listen to all of it. And this person.
So, is Betsy happy where she's at? She wish she was here. Right?
I think you got your answer, Salty.
And what was the answer?
The cat toy lights up for yes. And the cake too. So Betsy, you're happy. Look. I think she's telling you guys she's happy where she's at.
That's good. At least there's no pain.
That's what, yeah. But I miss her. I know we miss her like crazy. I know we do. All of us do.
Well, it's often said that cemeteries are for the living.
Betsy, can you stand back from the cat toy a minute? I want to ask you a question. Betsy, are you with Jimmy? Yeah, I heard yeah on there. Okay.
Well, that sounded like Jimmy coming through. It almost sounded like
See, it's hard to hear. What, Jen?
when you said that, oh, Jimmy Betzer there, your voice came in, that it is.
Oh.
So ask Betsy if she's met Lanley yet.
Look. Betsy, have you seen and met Langley Lang since you've been in heaven? Look. Yep. But that was a male. You're in. Who's in what?
And our Spin Cobra also said that you have a brother, Chucky, that passed away.
Chucky.
He has a brother named Chicky that passed away.
Oh, Chicky, sorry. I apologize.
Okay. I was just going to ask if Chicky's here, but I don't know. That might be Betsy or Jimmy. I'm like, wait, Cobra, I think your whole family's coming through. Chicky, are you here? These K2s are going off too. Look. There goes another. I'm going to turn this ball a little bit because it's okay. It's okay. Do you hear that? Chicky, are you with Jimmy and Betsy? Oh my God. There's George. Hi, sweetheart. So you all three are together and you're happy?
Betsy likes that
I know.
Let me have something. Betsy, stop. Thank you.
Now this one's going off.
Betsy, let me ask you, are you the president? Betsy, are you me president? Got the vote there. Well,
She got the K2 going too.
there we go.
Betsy, what do you like about heaven?
George is in the room, sis.
Yeah, I said hi to him, sweetie.
Okay.
What does heaven look like? What kind of animals are there in heaven?
Yep.
Did it say something?
I'm not sure. My fridge is making that noise again. That's why I'm holding the speaker.
I don't hear it.
Good. Something in the fan. Birdie has to fix it.
In.
And who? Give us a name. Who is here? Please give us a name. Who's here?
Who's Paul? It just said Paul. Who's related to a Paul?
Anna. I think I heard Anna, but I'm not sure. I just heard something around fishing. But it was a woman. Who was the woman that said something about fishing? Betsy, are you still here? Wow. I wish you could say hi. Can you tell us around how many spirits are in here right now? No.
Yeah.
Make us something. What do you want me to do? What? Oh, yeah, she'd be the first one to ever touch that bear. Nobody's been able to make it go off again, or go off at all. I heard flashlight. I don't have a flashlight down here. Do you want a flashlight? Yes. Did you hear that? Yes. Betsy, is there anything you want to say to Cobra?